Boy Dougie OG, and I'm here to show you how to grow on Omlet Arcade. To make sure that your profile name is up to par, bro. You don't want nothing stupid. You don't want nothing pointless. You want a name that fits you, that kind of describes your personality, or just, you know, maybe some things that people could look forward to in your stream, or something that you just like, or whatever, you know. Like, list of some people who I think have pretty decent names. Obviously Nico. If you don't know who Nico is, then you're probably a dingus. Here, A1 Day 1, Cali Rays, D Trill, Little Tiff, Annie Peasy. All these names are up to par. They obviously make sense. They obviously tell a little bit about who you're looking for, or who you're talking to, or who you should expect. So obviously it should be something along the lines of that. Not obviously, it doesn't have to be something that has nothing to do with you, or something that is obviously just your name or anything like that, but it should be something that defines you a little bit. Step 2 is how your profile looks, man. Your description, your name, your background, your profile picture, all of that stuff, man, it all ties into one thing. So that's what you should be focused on, man. Like, this is my profile right here. It's like a little cartoon version of me that was drawn by a fan, some fan art. It's got me, it's got the OG logo. It kind of looks like me. I don't know if you guys think it looks like me, but I think it looks like me. And it's just like a cool little thing that someone made for me that I think is really cool. It's not super different from what everybody else is doing, but it is my own little thing. It is literally me, so it's my own style, my own personal feng shui to my profile. But also, we got my background right here, man. One of the main games that I play is Minecraft, so it only makes sense that I have a background picture displaying Minecraft, so people know, oh, okay, he's into Minecraft, he's into games like that. So they'll see, like, oh, okay, cool, that's what he's into, that's what he streamed, and that's the type of atmosphere that he's gonna bring to the stream. So they'll come through, they'll see my profile, they'll be like, all right, bet, this is someone that I can hang with, or they'll be like, this is someone that I don't want anything to do with. So that really is a good decider in how much viewership and how much people come back to your stream, or just come through to your stream based on what they see. Because in this little section right here on the mobile app, if you have Omlet Arcade already, there is something like this on the side of your screen, on the right side. It shows you a little bit of who's active, verified people, some recommended streamers that you should watch, or you could watch. And this is mine right here, so feel free to check out any of these people, obviously. So we're gonna go over to your stream desktop. If you're streaming on PC, this is how it's gonna look. I did make a tutorial on how to stream from PC to Omlet Arcade, so if you want to check that out, go check that out. The link will be in the description to that video. But with that being said, man, first things first is your stream info, man. Basically your stream title. Today was April Fool's, so I made a little joke and said I was disbanding my clan, and you know, prank some of my viewers and prank some of the people in the clan with that. And here's my description. Just something short and simple, something short that I like to do, just because I'm an arcade, you don't really have to have all the information displayed right there, because anybody who's gonna come through and watch you on Omlet, they're coming through to watch and hang out and to chill with you, and any of that information that they need, they will usually ask you for it. Like, they'll usually be like, yo, do you have a Discord? Do you have a YouTube channel? What's your name on this game? Yada, yada, yada. So basically, this section isn't really super important, because most people won't look at this right here. That's what I've noticed over my time of being on Omlet Arcade, but they do look at it sometimes. So I'm saying you want to have some information right there. Stream title is really the important thing, because that's what people are going to see before they come into your stream. If they're on the website, this is the front page of the website. So basically, this is the person that has the most hotness right now. This is the person at the top of the leaderboards. So you will see this. They're streaming Minecraft. This is their description, like I said. So if you look at stuff like this, then it'll be important to you. If not, then it doesn't really matter. So basically, your stream title is a really important thing about it, because it really will get some people in there, man. Like, a lot of people come through and they do read the stream title, and they're like, okay, this is what's going on. Then, you know, can I get involved? Can I play? How do I join? And all that other stuff. This stuff right here, I already went over what this is in the tutorial for how to stream Omlet Arcade. You want to stream to other apps, man, and other platforms, because Omlet Arcade is strictly a tool, yo. It is a platform, yes, but they want you to grow on other platforms. So in turn, Omlet Arcade will grow. So basically, if you guys want to have multiple different platforms and multiple different places that you have viewership on, make sure you take advantage of this Omlet Plus multi-streaming destinations thing, because I definitely do it. My main thing I stream to is Facebook, but in my custom RTMP, I'll stream to Trovo. Obviously, I'll stream to Twitch sometimes whenever I'm streaming events and stuff, or streaming the podcast that I have. Shout out to the @OG podcast. I'll probably leave that in the chat as well for you guys. I will stream to YouTube from my account as well. But anyways, moving on from that, the final thing that I want to say to you, and I feel like you need, and is a mandatory thing to grow in Omlet Arcade, is you want to get people involved in a Discord. Okay, so basically here's the OG Clan Discord right here. We have approximately 326 members. So right now we just started this Discord maybe in the middle of last month or whatever, or in the middle of last month. So 322 members, that's what we built up, and you need to have one of these so you can branch out to different places and then get your viewers that are definitely into supporting you and want to see you grow. You get them all into one place, and then you disperse them into others, and then you can give them information that you want to give them in very simple ways, and you can get it to them quicker, instead of making a post on say Omlet Arcade where they have to get a notification to see it. And in Discord, people are usually always on Discord, so basically if you drop some information in there, they're more likely to see it there, because if they join the Discord, then clearly they want to be informed on all the new stuff going on with you. So that is a mad easy way to get people to join your community and stay active in your community, man. So if you have a Discord, make sure you're active in it. Make sure you're having mad posts, you're having mad giveaways, and giving back to your people and stuff like that, man. But that's gonna be it for today's tutorial, man. I appreciate you guys for coming through and hanging out, man. It's your boy Ducky OG from the OG Clan, and my boys, peace.